Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you the Planger Power Pad. In this case, it is a set of 4. So you get 4 power pad in a flat version with premium rubber. This is a jack pad for trolley jacks, a vehicle lift and an axle stand. Universal usage. That means it is compatible to the most cars out there. We have here a protective stuff for our car, SUV and vehicle, which pinch welds seal. Perfect for car tuning and perfect for maintenance. If you have to change the tires, replace the tires, you have to lift up, jack up your car, that's the right partner. Where are you going to attach this and with what? You can see this is the back or the bottom side of the car, and you see there was not Planger before. That is, there you can see what happens if you does not use the Planger. But the Planger will still have a chance to protect it from here, of course. Now, we get it at the scene where we have the jack points on our car. There we inserted this Planger stuff. You see it? That's better. So it looks right. Okay, get it in position, and if it is there, you can easily use that, because the Power Pad Flat is perfectly suited for various car bodies and jacks. For example, Unitech, Michelin, etc. The application is quick, uncomplicated, slip-proof, and accurate. You have them in a box of 4 if you use or buy a box of 4, and you need a flat plate lifter, as shown here. You get it in position easy peasy, because we have here the flat version. If you just have not a flat version, you have to use the Power Pad Deep version of it. And then get the jack underneath. And we have rear quality. Due to that special rubber compound, we will enjoy our product for years. We choose premium protection for our car. So now we can lift it up because the Planger pad is on position underneath our car. Lift up your car and let it stay there. You can also use it with a second jack and up to 4 jacks, because I have a pack of 4 here in my front. The product properties are very robust and are SBR rubber, 80 Shore A. In diameters, the top 6 5mm, the diameter bottom attachment for the jack is 38mm, and it's flat, suitable for cars up to 3.5 tons. Before we lift up our car, we should have a look that it is not heavier than 3.5 tons. But such a small car, as shown in that video here, is only 1 ton or something else. SUVs, small ones, 1.5 tons. Bigger ones, 2 tons. Okay, but it's big because it is a big range until you will reach the 3.5 tons. Okay, no compromises in the protection of our car. This is a protective against slipping. The indentation on the underside of the rubber buffer ensures a stable hold on the jack plate. And if it stays there, it's let your jacked up car, let it in position with that. And that's a good fact, and this is a good helper in your garage, for example. You can use it every day because it makes a good job and has 10 years of warranty. Because there are 106% convenience of that product. That is why Planger offers us a 10-year guarantee. The customers like us likes it. I use them every time I lift up a car, because I have a flat car jack, of course, so I can use that perfectly. This rubber pad works perfectly with a wide range of cars and jacks, including Unitech, Michelin, and more. It is designed to protect the frame of our car and prevent slipping when we are using a hydraulic jack. It's quick and it's easy to use. It is slip proof and it fits like a glove. That's right. It's really cool, and this is a big helper in our garage, in our working area. It's not only matches to a Fiat, as you can see, it's also compatible with a VAG car. And if you have a standard jack up point there, you can start with jack upping your car bomb with the help of the Planger Power Pad in flat version. This is a premium rubber jack pad for trolley jacks, a weaker lift and an axle stand for different cars because it is universal fit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.